Cut to the chase, unraveling the mystery. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, conversations, or even in business meetings. Cut to the chase. It's a phrase that packs a punch and conveys a lot more than meets the eye. So, if you've been curious about what it means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Cut to the chase is a phrase used to urge someone to skip the unnecessary details and get to the main point of the discussion. Imagine you're watching a movie filled with slow, intricate scenes, and you're eagerly waiting for the exciting climax. When someone says, "Cut to the chase," they're essentially asking to skip straight to the most exciting or important part, bypassing all the build-up. The origins of "cut to the chase" are as interesting as the phrase itself. It dates back to the early days of Hollywood. During silent films, directors would sometimes drag out scenes to build suspense or develop the plot. However, audiences were often most excited about chase scenes or climactic moments. So, when a script was dragging, directors were advised to cut to the chase, literally moving the story forward to the action-packed sequences. Over time, this phrase transcended the silver screen and became part of everyday language. Using "cut to the chase" in conversation is quite simple, but it's important to understand the context. It's best used in informal settings or among friends. For example, if someone is telling a long story and you're curious about the outcome, you might say, "That's all fascinating, but can you cut to the chase?" However, remember that using this phrase can sometimes come off as impatient or rude, so gauge the situation and the listener's mood before dropping it into conversation. Let's see "cut to the chase" in action with some examples. During a meeting, we've discussed the background enough. Let's cut to the chase and talk about the solution. In a personal story, "I know you're setting the scene, but could you cut to the chase? What was the outcome?" When giving advice, "If I can cut to the chase, I think you should take the job offer." And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, "cut to the chase." It's a powerful way to encourage brevity and get straight to the point, but it's also a phrase with a rich history rooted in the early days of film. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use "cut to the chase" with confidence. Remember, the key to effective communication is not just the words we choose but also understanding their origins and nuances. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.